Hey guys, what's going on? It's Zilf, aka Genocide here again, and today I just want to do a quick tutorial on triggers. So go ahead and open up your Starcraft 2 map editor, and as you can see I did a little pre-work here. I have my location as 1, the computers as 2, a Nexus, command center, hatchery, probe, SUV, and drone. And well, the first thing I want to go before going to triggers, anyone that's having AI problems with their computer, try setting control to AI and also computer to AI, or AI to computer, if it's, pretty sure it's on default, by default, yeah. So anyways, with that out of the way, let's get into triggers. So let's say you have a map and you want to make it pretty cool, where you have stuff that you want to be able to take over, like these, these things, and branch out and become all 3 races in the same base. So let's press F6 to open up the triggers. And when you first start off, you'll have melee initialization, and you'll have these 4 on here, down here, and you'll have this event. So it works, it's a condition. If you've ever done, anything computer science related, if this happens, then all the actions will execute. And so here I set the game speed to fast because no one likes playing on slow maps. So to do that, click actions, go to game, and set game speed. And if you're going to have a huge map with 3 races, you might want to raise the supply limit. So for this one, go to player, modify player property, and modify player whoever to supply limit set to 1000. And for each one of these, you're just going to have to copy and paste and then change modify player, do that for all the players that you have in your map. And that's that part. Now I want to go over ownership, which is, changing the units when you click on them to your units. So you're going to have a list of events here. If any one of these things happens, this will happen. So event, go to unit selection, unit is selected, and then you're going to want to click here, go to value, and just copy and paste these for each unit you want to have turned over. So go ahead and do that to all those, and make sure you change this to any player if it was on value. And then the actions, you're going to want to go to actions, unit, change owner, change ownership of, go to unit, and do triggering unit. As you can tell here, checks for a unit being selected by the player. When the unit is selected, the event passes and the actions are run. Use triggering unit to refer to the unit being selected or deselected. So you're going to want to do triggering unit to player, triggering player, since we're the player that triggers the unit. So that's in player, triggering player. And change the color to your color. And that's pretty much it for this. So go ahead and do Control F9 or the old-fashioned way. Test. Alright, here's the map.
In the rear with the gear.
I don't know why it's lagging, it's kind of annoying.
Sure thing.
And
Yo.
buildings.
Go ahead.
Is the computer? Can't really do anything now
You're
since
the
I didn't
boss.
have any resources.
Yep.
And we go ahead and select these.
What's going
They
on?
become red because we're red.
Ah! You scared me.
And then now I can build a probe or actually no, the computer's up here, I know what I'm talking about.
Will do.
Make a drone if I had minerals.
Not enough minerals.
And that's pretty much it. So any questions, comments,
Big
Or if you have
job,
any
huh?
suggestions for a new tutorial you want me to do, go ahead and send me a message or post in the
Bad news?
comments. Thanks guys, and
Gotcha.
this is Genocide signing out.